right there.
That's what
Alright, bro, you go. Just do all the way down. There we go. Oh, fuck. I already fell, man. Oh my god, this is way more harder than I thought. Ah! Woo! Oh. Dang. See, this is the bridge.
This is where we almost died. Right
What?
Here. We almost died up there.
Yeah. So, basically, me and my boy Ruben were up here. We're about halfway over here. Then, if you jump on this side, I'll show you guys right now. So like the train was coming, and like there's this little balcony right here. Let me see if I can see it right there. See that balcony? About right there. Alright, Ruben, tell him what happened. Tell him what happened, bro. We almost got hit by a train.
Died.
Tell him. So start from the beginning, man.
This fucking dude over here.
So,
Started from over there. We walked we walked the whole thing to the fucking little bridge over there. And then we're like, alright, we'll kill our beers and go back. So we go back. Go to the green light at the end. So I was like, oh, it's probably come from behind. But we're walking towards it. And we only made it halfway.
We're about like right there, right?
Lives, basically.
We're about, so yeah, because me and you were like about halfway about right here. And then we saw the train coming from afar.
If I would have told this fool to go back, we would have died that night.
Yeah.
Just to keep it short and simple.
Yeah, basically just short and simple. Basically, if we didn't
Run back.
run back to that balcony over there,
Yeah.
we probably would have got hit. Ugh.
Right here is where all the hobos fuck.
Yeah, this is like kind of like a hot spot for homeless people.
If you're homeless and you want to have a honeymoon, right here, you got your little fire right there, you got your little water.
And you can see someone actually dig right there, like trying to like get it down. That way the heat stays down or it rises.
Yeah, so if you're homeless, this is the spot right here. 5 stars right here. I'll give it 5 stars.
5-star homeless location. You got your fire. Someone's already digging for you. And you got your bath right there, the creek or river, I guess you can say. I need to go pee, but it looks like the outdoors might be my bathroom today, man.
I gotta pee now.
Boy, you can definitely do that. Put your leg right there, up to there, and then you have that branch for your arms. Pull yourself up. There you go. What are you doing, Ruben? Ruben? Huh? Oh, okay. What does it say? Ruthless? Ruthless.
Ruthless, thug life.
Thug life.
RTL.
Yeah, kids don't.
Free little RTL boy.
Yeah, don't graffiti. Don't be us. Don't graffiti on walls. Please don't, and don't do that.
It's kind of cold out here, bro.
I know.
It's like a raisin.
Hey, shut up.
Bro, I thought I saw something. Alright, so me and my boy Ruben, we're thinking about staying over here overnight, but you kind of know how like, here, bro, hold this real quick. It's like, with me. So like, you know how like at 3 o'clock they say it's like the devil's time, or like that's like when like the most active like spirits come out. So there's this game Left 4 Dead, and then there's like this witch that cries, and like what if we hear this like by the river, like kinda. Oh, there we go. Bro, no. Bro, imagine if you heard that at night over here.
I'd be gone.
Fuck no. I'll be out so fast. Nah. But like at night, this place does no justice compared to day and nighttime. At night, all of this is pitch black. There's like this random cross right here too. You guys want to see where it the clown lives? Shoot, he lives right here. Is it open? Is it open? Oh, they locked it. Damn it. That lock right there, you can like crawl underneath all this. Underneath. Oh my god. Yeah, dude, there's way more water in there now. Alright, let me see. Just keep it rolling, bro. That's it. Yeah. Oh, it's the camera. There we go. Okay. Dude, I don't like this sweater. I feel like it reveals too much. Okay. Hey, look, a bee. Bro, you better not kill that bee, boy. Which one? There's one chilling right there. Oh, there's two.
There's another one here too. Look.
There's one right there, one right there. Where?
Right there.
And one right there. Oh shit. Don't kill them, bro. Bees are hard to get in California. Yeah, they locked it, bro. Yeah, cause when I went down there last time, there was a go-kart right here, or like a shopping cart. That was open, and then I got into the shopping cart, went down there, and walked in there. You can do it, Ruben. I believe in you. It's just a little hop. Oh yeah, by the way, we got it open with the stick. It's dummy locked. Like, it's locked right there, but then it's open. Like, I just pushed the stick, pulled it through, and we're going in. See? There we go, bro. Yep. And all we do is just crawl it down like spot. Hey, boy, you hit me in the face, bro. Dang, abuse. Yeah. Yeah, that's deep. That's not.
Alright, you go first. Fuck it. Go.
Alright.
Bro, as soon as I get up in this bitch, no service.
Really?
My phone says no service.
You have no service? What do I got? Bro, I got nothing.
That's the bad sand.
Bro, oh my god. Alright, let's go. Oh my god. Oh, dude, it's fucking dark. Dude, I see this spot where I was last time. There was way more light coming in. Dude, what if you hear like the Left 4 Dead witch?
Man, bro, we're still crying open this bitch right now, dude. Wow.
Oh, okay. Okay, here, bro. You at least gotta come up to like where I came up to.
No, you're going with me. I'll go with you. Go. Go.
Fuck it. Let's go. Oh my god, bro. Dude.
Keep going or not?
Look at, you see? There's some steps right there.
That's where you guys were, huh?
Yeah, that's where but there was no water in here last time. Now there's water. Yeah, that's the ladder to go up right there. But someone's drawn some pot signs down here. Don't do kids drugs. Or don't do drugs, kids. Is it like slippery water?
Hell yeah.
It is? Oh shit. Okay.
I'm gonna get up here first so I can hold the gate for you.
Whoa, bro, don't leave me in here. Stay right there.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh my god.
Don't slip in that shit, bro, because it's real slippery.
I told you, like in there, like you gotta squat and walk.
I wonder where that damn thing led to get at.
All that ladder we saw in there.
Yeah.
There's probably like a little opening over there, maybe. We'll check right now. Hey, so are you down to do that at night? Nope. Yeah, that's it. So you know, like that staircase we saw down there. This is it right here. It leads up to this.
It's bolted down. You gotta unbolt it to get out. Kind of like a
storm drain, or storm drain. My bad. I said brain, bro.
He wants the brain.
Storm drain. So that where that leads. So we went through here, and then it goes through. Bro, I think if we keep going this way, I think it leads to that one over there.
Yeah.
Probably. But that one's open. Yeah. Alright, so walking up to the train tracks right now. You gotta go through all this right here. Well, there's both sides. There's this side and that side. But we're going up this side. You good, bro? Your head's coming up a little bit. Hey, your thing's still here. Mine's still here. This is from like a year ago? You say? Year? Hey, someone drew a Batman symbol. Or no, never mind, it's Ed Nundy. Never mind, I see it now. But this was his right here. that was mine right there. It's still up here though. It's like a year and a half maybe. So imagine just a train coming at you like maybe like at 50 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour. And we were all the way down there. Off that whole bridge right there. Top and sides right now, because it's coming right now, I think. You good? Alright, so this is how you know when the train's coming. Oh, yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Oh my god. So the lights over there come on. I don't know if you can see it. And that's it coming through right there. Yeah. Hold on. Nah, we just duck down just so they don't see us. I mean, at night they probably can't see us. Here we go right now. So imagine this coming at you in the middle of the night. Bro, my camera moved. Oh, dude, I thought I was gonna drop my camera, bro.
Bro, my hat flew up.
Bro, I thought I was gonna drop my camera for a second, man. Oh my god. Dude, that little adrenaline rush gets you, bro. Yeah, I saw your hat flew up. Dude, I was hanging more on the camera than my fucking hat. I was like, I'm not gonna lose my camera. That was crazy. Alright, so that was the river, kinda. Well, not kinda, that was basically the river. I didn't say what's his name. This is my boy Ruben. We've been friends since elementary school. And then yeah, it's basically the river. What we want to do it at nighttime.
We'll do a 3 a.m.
3 a.m. challenge? Hell no.
If you give us at least 5 likes.
Yeah,
likes,
dude,
we'll
no, 5 likes probably not even, bro. Probably like 2 likes.
Really want to do it.
Yeah, if you guys want to see us do it. Alright, bro, how you feel?
I'm tired.
Tired? All that walking. All that walking. I feel good. I'm tired though. So yeah, if 2 likes,
We'll do it.
2 likes will do it, because 2 likes for me is a lot. It's kind of sad saying, but 2 likes, maybe 5 if you guys watch this. But yeah.
2 likes, 3 a.m. challenge.
2 likes, 3 a.m. challenge, and we'll do it. 3 o'clock in the morning. Devil's time is what they say it, but yeah. Alright. We out. See you guys next time. Gotta go home, edit this. Yeah, deuces.